Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can get the trench coat on Dress to Impress. So to get the trench coat, you are going to go here. You do have to play 5 rounds to get the coat. I already did that, so I can just put it on. But here's like the long version of it. As you can see, super pretty, and there is another toggle to make it a little bit shorter. This is perfect for fall themes, or if you want to make the Evermore outfit, you can do that, or the red one. She uses a lot of like coats, and the folklore one, I guess that too. Taylor Swift uses a lot of coats in her albums, like her covers, so you can use that for it. And that is where you can get the trench coat. It is a new item. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.